units come from Poland. They are called tilt and turn European windows. And tilt and turn simply means that they can tilt if you move the handle all the way up. What it does, it provides you fresh air without blowing into the space. In case someone leaves the window open, the rain obviously, if the rain comes, rain will not affect the floor or the wall. And it's also a security feature, because with the window open, there's no way for anyone to break in. What's interesting about those massive units is that they have this micro ventilation option. When you move the handle 45 degrees down from the tilt position, you get what happens is that the sash itself moves away from the window frame by about 1/8 of an inch, allowing fresh air to come in. What happens is when we turn it 90, the window simply opens. And it opens in, which allows cleanup of the window and as much air as we would like as occupants. These units are triple glazed, which means we can apply the R value to them. Usually when we talk about windows, there's U value used to show how much heat is lost through the unit. In case of these robust units, which have frames consisting of 7 chambers, triple glazed, argon filled, they can be 2 tones, and they are 2 tones, meaning the interior side is white and the exterior side is matte black. But the variety of colors is substantial. So the sky is the limit, pretty much.